Hi friends, hope you like my tutorial on Lightroom in which I am trying to explain Lightroom basic and how we can utilize it in the editing workflow in a very simple way. Today we are going to discuss about how we can utilize brush tool in our photo editing workflow. As in our last video, we talked about the basics and location of this tool in Lightroom. So if you missed my last video, then I request you to watch the last one to get better understanding of this tool. Only thing you need to do is to click the pop-up link of the last video on the extreme right corner of your screen. Okay, now you can see an image on my screen which I took 2 years back during my trip to Ladakh. This image looks quite flat and boring as it was taken by me in the broad daylight, so we are trying to convert it into interesting and colorful one. Sometimes it is important to use your sliders according to the image as different images are having different lighting conditions. So we can't treat two images in the same way. On this note, we start with the basic panel by reducing highlight to get details out of the bright area, but this time no need of using shadow and other effects of basic panel as this image is very well exposed. So we directly use brush tool. Once you hit the brush button, your slider panel will be open. Now check all these sliders should be on 0. If not, then double click the effect key in the same panel to keep all the sliders 0. Now we will be painting with the exposure, clarity and texture on the specific part of an image to create depth. So we are done with this tool. Now I am shifting to radial filter to pop up the mountains in the image by reducing exposure, highlight and increasing bit of texture and clarity. After this change, again I am moving back to brush tool. This time I will use two separate brush for two different effects, that is exposure and saturation. First we will start painting with the exposure to the specific part of an image, and once we are done with this tool, we will be painting with saturation to pop up colors in the specific area. Finally, we are going back to basic panel to do minor adjustment like increase in texture, clarity, vibration and saturation. So we are done with this brush tool. Now we will check before and after version of this image. Hope you like this video training. In my next small session, we will discuss about another interesting topic of Lightroom. So if you like this channel, then please share and subscribe this channel, and please leave a comment to discuss further.